Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2017 Infiniti QX50 Premium Plus. So, this is the last year of the V6 QX50. Now it is the variable compression 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder, which of course puts out a ton of power. Honestly, feels a little bit quicker than these, and it's just a better overall car. It's definitely a great refresh. However, there's something very, very special about these cars. I've driven them a couple times now, and I just can't get enough of them. The 3.7 liter V6, the VQ motor, as we've all come to know and love, is featured in this car, and that just makes it so much more fun than this has any right to be. Absolutely gorgeous. Backup camera, 360 camera as well. Into drive. Oh man. Such a fun car. It really is. I mean, these really have the spirit of the G37. They really do, which was the Q60 / Q50, same thing. They really do. A lot of people prefer this gen just because of the 3.7. The fact that I think these are probably, this is the last year you can get them as certified. Because our certified warranty is 6 years from the original purchase date. So this is your last chance to get one of these as certified pre-owned, which once it's over 15,000 miles, unlimited mileage warranty. Pretty crazy. I do love the font on the gauges too. I really hope the LED lighting isn't being funky with the camera, because sometimes the refresh rate matches the rate that the LEDs are on and it creates a flickering effect. I really hope that's not the case, but the thing is, if I'm being completely honest, the new QX50 versus this QX50, it's almost like comparing different cars. It really is. And that's not a complaint at all for either car. They just drive so differently. VQ, man, VQ. Where else are you gonna get an SUV that revs out to 7,500 RPM? They don't make them anymore. And of course, say you're at 65 miles an hour, you need to pass someone. That's not bad at all. Oh, what a machine, guys. Oh, this is a great car. This is great. Thing is, what platform is this on? That's what I don't know, and I don't even know for the new QX50 what platform they're on. Because obviously we know Nissan owns INFINITI. They are one and the same, much like Toyota and Lexus. But I'm trying to think. I know the G37 is on the Z platform. So does that mean the QX50 was a different version of the G37, the Q60 platform? If that's the case, then that means this has a good amount of 370Z DNA in it. And I can really feel that. Now, if you know different, correct me in the comments. Tell me what platform it's on and what it's related to. If it's its own unique platform, that's fine. But based on feeling and everything and logic, this platform should have a good amount of 370Z in it. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.